Hi guys, welcome back to Corbin John. Today we are going to a very amazing place. Like I have been there already for the launch night. I have been there. It's called La Mars. It's by Zorawar Kalra, whose father was Jix Kalra. Uska brainchild hai. It is at NSCI, so it is opposite to the Haji Ali Sea Face. It's a sea face place, but sea face technically nahi hai because it's inside. You cannot see the sea you can see from the glass. So we are going there today to experience the European and Mediterranean food. It's a 18,000 square feet place which is divided into three sections technically. One is the club, which is on the first floor. One is the inside dining, where it is the AC one, and there's one outside dining as well. Okay, so it's a 18,000 square feet place. Today we are going to La Mars to experience their food. Let's get started with Corbin John and La Mars. So we have reached La Mars, so let's enter together. It's very hot outside. So that is La Mars. That's the entry. This is the outside section, and they have three sections as I told you. This is the outside section. This will look very good and will feel very good when it's through winter. Now it is scorching heat. I don't know if you can see me. So, yeah. First I'll show you the club, which is one floor above. First we'll go there, then we'll come down again, where I'll show you where I'm sitting. Then this is the stairs. This club opens at night. It's not operational in the day. Shut as of now, but this is the place. This at night, this place rages. Rages is a small word, to be honest. This is where, when I had come for the launch, this is where, that's the bar console, that's the DJ console where Alan Walker was playing. That's Haji Ali. I don't know if you can see, it's seafront, but yeah. That night when I had come for the launch, this place was banging. Banging is a small word, but look, it was a surprise set by Alan Walker, and यहाँ पर Ori was standing here, and यहाँ पर there were two Punjabi singers as well. Everything was a surprise for everyone. So yeah, after seeing their well-stocked bar, let's go down and show you where I am sitting and where I am eating. Let's start running. So this is the La Mars restaurant. It's a beautifully done up place. This is a 18,000 square feet place with a beautiful bar, and when you come in the day you can see the sunlight on a table, so it's not a dark place. In the night it is dark, but in the day it is pretty colorful, and they have a blue and white theme. It's basically the marine theme they are following. But yeah, that's my table. That's Omkar. आज ओमकार से बात भी करवा होगा, कुछ पूछूंगा कैसा लगा सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस. मेहनत कर रहा है. Now we are doing the build up cocktail. ओमकार जी और मैं. So our sharing place also is here. It's smoking. It's grilled tiger prawns. It's wok style chicken cashew. The prawns tempura and chicken tacos. Two cocktails. Yummy. ऐसा रह रहा है कि ओमकार भी जिन पर्सन हो गया है. वो तो कैसा है ओमकार तुम्हारा ड्रिंक? ब्लू एंड लाइलैक. मस्त है, मज़ेदार. ये देखो मेरा प्रॉन्स मेरा चालू हो गया. अभी हम अटैक करने वाले. सुशी एक बाइट खा लिया मैंने, चिकन एक बाइट खा लिया. इट्स वेरी यमी. प्रॉन्स आई एम गोना हैव राइट नाउ, एंड देन टाकोस, एंड इट्स अ डेट. Food looks very good, and honestly the portion size is very generous. It's better than I genuinely thought. मैंने बोला small portion रहेगा, मगर है portion size भारी. Chicken, wok top chicken, with cashews. Wok dog chicken with cashews. क्या आपको मालूम है सुशी एक्चुअल में चॉपस्टिक से नहीं खाते, जहाँ ओरिजिनेट हुआ है सुशी वहाँ पर हाथ से ही खाते हैं। हम बड़ा नींबू हम डाल रहे हैं अपने प्रॉन्स, टाइगर प्रॉन्स के ऊपर। चालू करूँ? मेहनत लगता है बहुत शूट करने में, बहुत मेहनत लगता है, आसान लगता है लोगों को।
3, 2, 1, go.
This is the prawn size. It's like my face का size पूरा। Now let's try the chicken soft shell tacos. The filling is very good. The soft shell is थोड़ा मेरे को weird लग रहा है, मतलब filling is very good. मतलब shell is थोड़ा, I think so it is थोड़ा कच्चा है। That's our main course. It's a Thai curry bowl. So with chicken red Thai curry with rice, मज़ेदार। तो इसका हम डेजर्ट खाएंगे, फिर हम घर जाएंगे। बहुत ही खाना अच्छा है। So I'll explain later on. चलो, Thai curry honestly is very good. कैसा है उनका Thai curry?
Well nice.
Very nice, very creamy and very rich. One bowl is good enough for 2 people. यहाँ पर लाइट बैठा रहा है अभी। One bowl is good enough for 2 people. इतना बोल है, हम दो लोग खा रहे हैं, so yeah, it's good enough for 2 people. मज़ेदार खाना है यार, मज़ेदार खाना है। Now we'll have desserts. We'll order dessert right now and then हो गया हमारा मील। डिनर भी हो साथ में आज। This is the dessert. यम ऐसे करूँगा ना?
3, 2, 1, go.
So we are done with our Llamas experience. Honestly, top notch. The Llamas is a Spanish word for by the sea. So there is the sea and this is the restaurant. खाली एक बीच में दीवार है and बॉम्बे का बहुत ये आ गया अभी। बॉम्बे में बहुत सारा कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया है, द ओवरहेड ब्रिज, द सी वे, तो इसके वजह से it has covered Haji now. But yeah, overall a very good experience at Llamas, an experience which honestly is not spoken about much. I feel because the place is empty today. It's a Thursday lunch, maybe that's why. Night it is banging, I know that because I've been here at night. It's banging. But yeah, overall a beautiful experience, lovely food, everything I tried was superb, top notch. The portion size is very generous. They are going to change the menu now is what I heard. And when it comes to cocktail menu, they're reducing the prices for cocktail, and I don't know about the food menu, but yeah, cocktail they're going to reduce and they are going to add more cocktail variants in your menu. Overall beautiful experience. So yeah. ओमकार तेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
मैं दिखने दूँगा, मुझे भी देखना है ना, मैं अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ। देखो। Food was very good, lovely food. The drink which I had, what the
blue lilac,
lovely. चुम्मा था वो,
एकदम strong,
मस्त
एकदम strong. Food में क्या पसंद आया?
Good.
I love the sushi. हाँ, sushi was top.
And even that वो chicken वाला वो भी, it was good.
वो भी अच्छा था.
Prawns भी अच्छा था,
but chicken, हाँ. Prawns तेरा इतना
मेरे लिए ना, but it was good. Yeah.
But the red Thai curry with rice also was very good. The dessert also was very good.
Yeah.
Overall a beautiful experience. That ends my vlog. अभी घर जाएंगे और रात को फुटबॉल खेलेंगे. So yeah, keep following on Godbinge on social media platforms. Bye.